Almost all the plasma cutting machines we often see are high frequency. Today, let me introduce a new model. It's not high frequency arcing. What its difference? Follow me. Power Cut 105 adopts digital filter control technology. Professional grade metal plasma cutting. No interference to nearby electronic devices. How about its cutability? Let's see. Cut 20 mm carbon steel. 100% duty cycle. No worry of stop in the middle of work. It's mainly used for CNC. Has interface of CNC robot. Call me or add my WAP plus 861556 to 131963. Click below subscribe.